If you've ever wished your to-do list could practically run itself, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a simple automated to-do list in Monday.com. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up automations that handle routine tasks for you, giving you more time to focus on what actually matters. Let's get straight into it. First up, once you're logged into Monday.com and looking at your main dashboard, you'll want to find the Automate button. It's typically located right at the top of your workspace, often marked with sort of a magic wand icon. Fitting, since what we're about to do will make your workflow feel almost magical. Go ahead and give that a click. What we're doing here is opening up the Automation Center, the primary hub for making Monday.com work for you. Now, once you're inside the Automation Center, you'll notice you have two options. You can choose from pre-made automation templates, or you can start building your own automation from scratch. If you're new to Monday.com, templates can be a great way to get a feel for how automations work. They're kind of like recipe cards. Just pick one, tweak a couple of settings, and you're ready to go. For example, Monday.com offers common templates like when a task is added, notify someone, or when a due date arrives, move an item to done. These are super handy for setting up a basic to-do list, but maybe you have your own unique process. Maybe you want your to-do list to remind you when a task gets stuck or automatically assign work to a teammate when you mark it as in progress. If that's the case, don't be afraid to build your own automation from scratch. It might sound a little intimidating, but Monday.com's builder is actually quite visual and friendly. You just set your trigger, like when status changes to do, and then follow up with an action such as create a new item, send a notification, or move to another group. Think of this like laying down a set of dominoes. You set up a trigger, and the automation acts as that gentle push that keeps things moving. Take your time browsing the available templates or building your custom automation. Pause for a moment if you need. This is the bit where a few thoughtful choices will make a big impact on how smoothly your to-do list works for you. I like to preview a couple of templates to see which one matches my workflow, and don't worry if it's not perfect at first. You can always edit or delete automations later. Once you've selected your automation, make sure it's using the board and item group that correspond to your to-do list. This detail ensures that your automation fires off at the right time and doesn't accidentally impact another part of your Monday.com setup. Double-check the settings, and once you're happy with them, go ahead and hit Create Automation. That's it. Your automated to-do list is now live. Now, whenever you add new tasks to your to-do board, or whenever the trigger event happens, Monday.com will automatically take care of the repetitive steps for you. You'll save tons of time, and you'll have a much cleaner, more reliable task flow. If you ever want to tweak how your automation works, it's as easy as hopping back into the Automation Center and making a few quick changes. Congrats! With just these simple steps, you've unlocked a whole new way of working smart inside Monday.com. I hope this walkthrough helped and gave you some ideas to try on your own boards. If you found this tutorial useful, please tap that like button. And if you have any questions at all about Monday.com automations, or even want a deeper dive into advanced features, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.